Welcome to Brain Vision.
To solve this problem, first I am converting the value of omega. So omega is equal to 2 pi multiplication 3450 by 60 radian per second. I just change revolution per minute to radian per second. So omega is coming as 361.3 radian per second. Going ahead, when the grinding machine is start from rest from the initial angular velocity of grinding machine equal to 0 radian per second, so I can write omega naught is equal to 0 radian per second. Omega naught is initial angular velocity. Now I will use the angular acceleration of the grinding machine formula. So it is given by alpha is equal to omega minus omega naught by t. Going forward and just putting the value here, so I can write 361.3 minus 0 by 6, which is equal to 60.2 radian per second square. Now the number of revolution turned during startup period, so just look at it carefully. Omega square is equal to omega naught square plus 2 alpha del theta. So del theta can be written as omega square minus omega naught square by 2 alpha, which is equal to 361.3 square minus 0 square by 2 multiplication 60.2. Solving it further, I get the value as 130,537.7 by 120.4. So on solving it further, I get the value as 1084.2 radian multiplication 1 revolution by 2 pi radian. So the final answer, that is the number of revolution turned during startup period, is equal to 172.5 revolution. Now I am going to calculate for shutdown period. So just look at it carefully. For shutdown period, omega naught is equal to 2 pi multiplication 3450 by 60, which is equal to 21677 by 60, and on solving it I get the value as 361.3 radian per second. Now when the grinding machine is shut down, it comes to rest, so I can write omega is equal to 0 radian per second. Omega is the final angular velocity. Now angular acceleration is equal to omega minus omega naught by t. So just putting the value 0 minus 361.3 by 32. On solving it, I get the value alpha is equal to minus 11.29 radian per second square. Going forward and just calculating the number of revolution turned during this shutdown period. So just look at it carefully. Del theta is equal to omega square minus omega naught square by 2 alpha. So solving it further, I can write the value as 0 square minus 361.3 square by 2 multiplication minus 11.29. On solving it, I get the value as 5781.12 radian. So changing into revolutions, so I just multiplied and divide by this value. So on calculation, I get the final answer as 920 revolution. It is the number of revolution turned during shutdown period.